We have a doll one, and today we're gonna open it.
Yeah, this is Bratz. Now let me just say something about Bratz. Let me just say something about Bratz. They have the biggest heads ever.
I'm so sad.
Okay, so this is supposed to be music festival vibes, but this actually is an ugly fat emo girl. So, and another thing, we kind of fixed up Pinkie Pie. She still has some barnacles, but who cares? So let's open this up.
Okay.
Oh, and sorry if the music in the background gets annoying, cause it's still my little sister's birthday party. So yeah, let's open this.
I'm gonna help too.
Okay. Oh, what's this?
It's the
Ew, emo girl club. Alright, so I don't know. What if I? Oh my god.
Hi, I have barnacles.
Barnacles. How did you get those barnacles? Oh. And we're also gonna unbox this next. So let's just do this. How do you open this? I'm having trouble opening this. Okay, I got this. I'm coming for you, emo girl. Alright, let's try opening. No? What the hell? What's this stuff?
That's tape. Let me help. I can help.
Those are toy scissors.
Why would it cut?
Not toy scissors. Oh, I see the problem. Gotta take this part of this tape off.
You gotta cut it. Wait, is this one for this one?
No, that
Ah.
one came with the Applejack.
It comes off. Get off.
Let me try.
She has too much hair.
Alright, I think I got it.
You like it?
Oh my gosh. Okay, I really don't know how to. Oh my gosh, it touched the cake tape. Where are the barnacles spinning around? Get them out of here. Alright, so we're having trouble opening up this emo girl. There was tape right here and I didn't even notice that. Like, what the hell?
Can you try to take off the tape?
Don't worry, you won't be so sad when we get this thing out of here. You'll finally have a friend to play with.
Really?
Yes.
Thank you.
Why are you so sad if you're happy? That is a hideous bit. All of these girls are hideous. Especially that one.
Open up, friends.
Looks like deformed Barbie.
There's barnacles flying everywhere.
Alright, so we got this emo girl. Oh, I guess we just slide this out. And I guess we don't. More tape? Okay, we're gonna have to stop this video right here and make another one when this thing is outside us. Oh.